Hey, it's Todd, your favorite roofer with Sunbelt Roofs here on the North Shore, Mandeville, the sanctuary. A little update on one we showed you a while back. New construction happens in phases. So they got the penetrations done. I'll show you a video from the back with all the new plumbing vents and dryer heater vents. This is fortified, certified. We're using GAF HDZ, full system, GAF StormGuard ice and water shield, felt buster felt, GAF starter, full GAF system with golden pledge warranty. We're gonna add the fortified drip edge with a certain nail pattern. Got the shingles roof loaded, a little easier on the guys. Gorgeous house. I'll keep you updated. We got some standing seam coming for the back. We're gonna get the charcoal shingles on here, and I'll keep you updated so you can see this evolve into a gorgeous home. Until next time, don't forget to check us out with the State of Louisiana Fortified Grant Program. We are contractors on that. Got several projects going, and we know the whole process and can help you if that's your situation as well. Sunbelt Roofs.